Alright, so you guys already know what this video is going to be about, but I am so excited. Ignore my makeup because I've had this on for like 12 hours. I'm looking rough. Here we go, guys. Right here, we have this entire box, which is freaking huge. So this is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics mystery box part of their like Halloween. I got the Supreme one. I'm pretty sure this was like $160. Very, very pricey. I'll leave it somewhere on the screen or something, the full price of this, but everything in here is a mystery. I don't know what's in it. If you guys don't already know, Jeffree Star has a lot of mystery boxes that he's been coming out with, and I bought all of them and have loved them. So, had to buy the biggest one of this one. Alright, so I'm just opening it up now, and I'm just like, I'm so freaking excited. Like, you guys don't even know how excited I am. This shit's huge. Like, I'm gonna have to like take this box off my desk. It is so big. So the first thing I'm opening up right here, which, oh shit, I just got a fucking glimpse of something in there. I gotta close this box. Oh my god, I'm freaking out. Okay, so right here, this better be what I think it is. Oh my god. Right here, here is the outside of the box. This is part of the Halloween edition handheld mirror. So, oh my god. It's not easy to open, guys. I'm like gonna rip this open. Shit. Oh. I thought it actually came into this nice packaging for the actual product itself if you're gonna buy it. I have wanted one of these so bad. I'm actually gonna use this all the time. This is so awesome. Sorry for the flash, but here you go right here. This is part of like the Halloween edition mirrors, but I've always wanted them. I'm just very cheap, and I'm pretty sure they're like $20, $25 or something like that. I never buy them because like I'm so cheap. I barely buy stuff that is high end, as you guys know if you're watching my channel. So this looks so good. I'm so excited. You guys are gonna see me use this all the time. So if you guys don't know, I love stars, and that's why I love like Jeffree's brand as well, like how his logo is stars. I'm big into stars. I always have been since I was little. Literally my gamer tag on all video games is Lane Star. So, you know, hit me up if you got like Xbox, that's what I play. So I'm super excited about this. So I accidentally got a glimpse of what is next, but I'm gonna go ahead and grab it. I'm gonna try to grab it without looking at the other stuff, which this box is big. Oh shit. You guys, I got one of Jeffree's vinyls right here. Oh my god, the plastic just made my hair static. Oh shit. Oh my god, I've always wanted one of these. Look at this shit right here. Guys, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna play this because I do have a station to play this on. Guys, I'm so excited. This is Prom Night, and it says and Prom Night Remix. Never heard that. I'm assuming it's part of old, like Jeffree Star's old music and everything when he used to do music. But if it's new, that's cool. But I've never listened to it. It looks kind of like it's like a Halloween edition kind of vibe, so I don't know if it's new, but either way, I'm so excited for that. Alright, so just going into the next item. Oh shit, this box is bougie as fuck. Okay, so I got this. I was just like confused with what this was for a second. So this right here is the little mini liquid lipstick sets right here. So I got this. Bitch. Okay, that's awesome. So I have the color Doll Parts, Calabasas, Wifey, Watermelon Soda, which I do own, Anna Nicole Prom Night Red Rum. Yes. And Unicorn Blood, which I've always wanted all of these, except I do have Watermelon Soda. So I'm really excited about these. I will be creating looks with these for sure, because that is so fun. And I love that they're mini, because they're super cute. And I feel like I don't run out of liquid lipsticks that often. Like I do for certain colors, but I like getting mini ones because they're just so tiny and like good. So this has already been fucking way better than I was thinking. So let's go ahead and go on to the next thing. What the fuck is this? What is this? What? Oh my shit. Oh my god, guys. Look. It's the mini breaker. I'm gonna open it up for you guys. I wanted to buy this, but I didn't because, you know, I'm cheap. So, oh shit, I'm so glad I didn't buy it because now I got this. This is the mini Jawbreaker collection. If you didn't know about the Jawbreaker collection right here, this is the eyeshadow palette right here, part of the collection. I wanted this really, really bad, and I didn't purchase anything from the collection because, again, I'm cheap, but yes. Okay. Oh, and I love the names. I'm gonna use this tomorrow. I'm off work, so I'm gonna use this and film with it tomorrow. Bitch, this box is like already fucking lit. What the fuck? All right, so next thing. What? Oh my gosh. Okay, so here we go. Supreme Frost. This is sparkle to the max, bling bling bitch, shine like a lighthouse, extreme payoff, vegan, cruelty free. As you guys, if you didn't know, I am cruelty free, so everything I use on my channel is cruelty free. Yeah. So this is the Supreme Frost Caramel Kiss. So definitely probably too dark for me, but here it is. The Supreme Frost highlighter that I have, which is in the color Money Honey, I believe, is like one of the best things ever. Still a little too dark for me, but I love it. So I'll definitely find a way to work with this. And I didn't notice, but this is like magnetic, like this little packaging, which is really cool. So this, here it is for you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and do like a little 1, 2, 3 swatch. Yeah, that's definitely too dark for me, but I can definitely make it work. Well, I don't know. Yeah, probably too dark for me, but I can make it work for something that is beautiful, bitch. So I'm grabbing onto a next thing, which I can already feel what this is. So this is a reusable metal straw right here from JEFFREE STAR. I have a pink one, which I believe I got in my last mystery box, and I love metal straws. Those are like all I use now, unless I'm at a restaurant and just really have to have a straw with my drink. But a lot of times I just try to stay away from them because I don't really have time for all that. So here's a metal straw. All right, next item. All right, so this box is bomb.com. So we got, I think this is a lip liner. Let me just verify. Yeah, so this is a velour lip liner. I love the packaging on these liners. I do own one of them. So let me open this up. So here is the packaging on the velour lip liner. It's very, very good. I love it. This is in the color Scorpio. So super beautiful right here. I'm really glad. I'm trying to use lip liners more because I always apply my lipstick really badly, and I feel like lip liners might help. Alright, so next item. This right here is a lipstick, which I love the packaging. Oh. Alright, so I love the packaging of JEFFREE's lipsticks. They're like little bullets. They're so, so pretty. So, oh shit, bitch. Look at that. Look at that color. This is the color Yummy. Shit, I wish I didn't have lipstick on now. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it. Oh, that doesn't like... Oh, fuck. So, I thought that was gonna be like a lot more pigmented, but I can see it being just like a cool little hue of color on top of a lipstick, but... I don't know, that ain't really doing too much for me, but it does smell really good. So, but I'm excited. I'll try to find some use for it. If not, if it sucks, I'll let you guys know. Shit, guys, I just accidentally saw what's in there and I'm about to have a panic attack. Because it's an item I've always wanted, so I'm freaking out, okay? Okay, so the next item, which is not the item I just saw. This is a liquid lipstick. This is a Zombie Kiss, which I'm believing is oh shit, bitch. Look at this color. I'm believing this is probably just because of packaging and everything. The black packaging, which is super beautiful. I believe this is part of like the Halloween like collection vibe. So let's open this baby up and let's swatch her. Oh yeah. Shit, guys, I'm gonna have to use that tomorrow. That is so beautiful. Look at that shit. This box is awesome. I'm not gonna grab that item out yet because I'm freaking out, okay? All right, next item, which, oh, I've always wanted this. Okay, I've always wanted this. This is a liquid lipstick. This is in the color Venus Flytrap. Look at this color. I have always wanted this color. It is so beautiful. I love like unique liquid lipsticks. Not only can you just use them on your lips, you can use them from different areas. Like if you're painting your face, doing your brows, eyeliner, even putting it on like your bottom lashes or upper lashes to add some color, this is it. I am so excited, guys. Dude, okay. So we're gonna swatch it right here. That is beautiful. Oh, hell to the motherfucking yeah. Oh shit, okay. Yes, okay. So this is our new lip scrub, which I have another one that I got in my box last time and I loved it. This is Cucumber Mint, which I believe is gonna be bomb. So here's like the outside packaging for you guys. And then let's open hers up, cause, all right, so here we go. Green, beautiful, yes. Oh, that smells amazing. I love cucumber, like cucumber scents, cucumbers in general, I love them. That smells so good. I'm definitely gonna use this tonight. Yes, all right, boo. Oh shit, guys. Oh shit, the next items I'm going into. I didn't know it came with 2. I'm having palpitations. Oh my god. Look at this shit. This is part of the tracksuits. This is Jeffree's tracksuits and I've always wanted them so bad. Neon bright orange really isn't my 100% vibe, but like, yes. I've always wanted them so bad because I love like tracksuits, I love joggers, I love these kind of track jackets even though I'm not fit at all and don't do any of that, but I've always wanted them, but they're so pricey. But your girl got them now. Okay, this shit is thick. Like this is some thick ass quality. Look at this, guys. Like, fuck yeah. This is some thick, bougie ass quality. Bitch. Be right back. Look at this shit. I am a bougie ass princess. Okay, I'm so excited. This is like such good quality. These sleeves right here are super thick, really good quality. This is like, feels so nice, like way thicker and way nicer quality than I was thinking. Not sure why I was thinking that because it's Jeffree Star and he's fucking bougie, but alright, so last items in the box are the pants right here, which hard for me to show you guys, but here are the pants that I got, which is really nice to have like little pockets on the back, but here is the front. Here you guys go, kind of like a little glimpse for them. I am so excited. I'm gonna go put these on after I'm done. I'm so excited. I wanted the tracksuit so badly. Okay, so that is everything in this box. I am so excited. I'm very happy with what I paid for and the items I got. Honestly, I don't know like the full total of everything, but maybe I'll leave it on the screen. Maybe if I feel like it, look up everything and total everything up for you and put the price of the box on the screen, just so you guys have an idea of it. But I really didn't expect to get the tracksuit in it, and I did not expect to get like a vinyl record, anything part of the Jawbreaker collection at all. I did not expect to get that because like this is like a new release and everything, and I don't know, I didn't think I had good luck like that. Freaking out. I think everything I'm excited for, honestly. Tracksuit, #1 top favorite. This would be my next favorite because, oh shit. Oh shit. Guys, I fucking matched this. The fuck? Okay, so those are super excited for the Jawbreaker palette, bomb.com. Getting the vinyl was so awesome because that's such a bougie ass piece. So I'm freaking out. I'm so excited. So anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am very happy with everything I got. I'm so excited, literally like freaking out right now. So I am so excited. Love it. Love their mystery boxes. I did get the medium-sized one before, and actually the first time I think I got the medium-sized one, and then the second time I got their largest, which was not this size and way cheaper. I think the highest price was like $75 of it, and still loved them all. So I'm super excited, very happy. I do recommend you guys getting the next box. There's honestly so much cool stuff that I've gotten, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, this is Jeffree Star. Like seriously, Jeffree Star is bold. Everything's gonna be bold and bright. If you are a very natural girl, Jeffree Star might not be for you. So maybe purchase individually if you are only into natural stuff, but if you're wanting to get out of your comfort zone or something, step it up and get a mystery box. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.